Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joy by name. Thank you very much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be making yam porridge. So please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to do so now by hitting the subscribe button down below and also turning on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever we upload new videos. So without waste of time, let's get right into it. So these are basically all the ingredients I'll be using. I'll be adding the full ingredient to the description box down below as usual, so please do ensure you check it out. First, I'll gently cut the yam. I'm actually dividing it into large circles. This will help me to be able to peel it very fast and easy. Okay, this is all done. I'll just go over to my sink, then give it a quick rinse. Next, I'll heat up some palm oil in my pot on medium heat. I'll be adding some onion strips to it and allow to fry. I'll also be adding some Scotch bonnet pepper as well. I love to fry it alongside with the onion. So our onion is perfectly fried now. I'll be adding some blended tomatoes to it and allow to fry as well. So after about 7 minutes, our tomato is perfectly fried. So I'll go ahead and season it up. I'm actually using some seasoning cube, some grounded crayfish and some salt to taste. So I just mix everything together and allow to fry for 2 minutes. Next, I'll be adding water to the pot, not too much. I'll just stir everything together to combine and allow to get to a rolling boil. So this is 5 minutes later and it's boiling already. I'll be transferring the yam cubes into the pot right now. Before now, I already have a porridge yam recipe in the channel. This is a totally different recipe using fry method. You can choose to check out the other recipe after watching this video. I'll be adding the link to the description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out. So I'll be adding more water to the pot. That'll be enough to cook the yam through. Remember, our yam is very much raw. So I'll just cover the pot and allow it to cook. So this is 15 minutes later and our yam is a little bit tender but not fully cooked. So I'll be adding some plantain slice to it. I love the taste plantains add to our porridge yam. So just cover the pot and allow everything to cook together. Okay, this is 10 minutes later and our plantain porridge is gradually coming together. Our yam is soft already, so I'll go ahead and garnish everything using some vegetables. I'm actually using a mixture of scent leaf and pumpkin leaf. Usually whenever I'm cooking porridge yam, I don't like to add too much vegetables to it, so this quantity is actually okay. For my choice of protein, I'll be using some fried mackerel fish. I've actually deboned it already. So I just mix everything to combine. And guess what guys? Our porridge yam is pretty much ready. Looks so yummy, right? Thank you very much for watching guys. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Please, just before you go, kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye!